Hello friends, first of all, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, my today's video is creative and unique in itself because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful, classy, colorful floral hand embroidery patterns for your dresses that are absolutely favorable for our exquisite and highly attractive designing of our summer dress. Yes friends, you can get creative and stylish ideas that how you can flaunt your beach body into very beautiful summer shirts, into very beautiful cool and breezy wind corners, along with the very beautiful and exquisite design ideas, along with bright color dimensions on different type of colorful floral embroidery patterns to give a more enhanced and a closer to the nature view. So guys, you can use these very beautiful embroidery patterns in different perspectives as well. You can use these embroidery patterns for machine embroidery, for hand embroidery, for fabric painting, for liquid embroidery, and many more other perspectives as well. So as per your choices, all of these designs are absolutely favorable to design your shirts for a perfect matching and pair up with jeans, patiala, loose trousers, plazos, cigarette pants, and many more others. So I hope that you like my today's ideas. Today's collection is fabulous and fantastic for you. And if you really like that idea, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video with your friends and family, and leave comments below the video so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care and stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. On my channel you can get all type of creative and stylish ideas related to women fashion, hand art, and many more creativities related to girls fashion. So subscribe my channel to stay up to the mark and updated for women fashion here in the fashion world.